This how to 1 minute will show you how to create gradient backgrounds for buttons with Elementor. As you can see, I've created a gradient background color button, and now I will show you how you can make a button like this. First of all, edit the post or page using Elementor where you want to add a button. And now let's create a new container for the button and click on widget. In the search widget, type here button, and here you will get button. Just drag and drop it here. And as you can see, the button has been added. Now we will customize this button. So come to this content section, and here button type you can select info button, success. So I'm going to selecting here default because we are going to add a gradient background, right? So select here default, and you can change button text here and insert a button link here. You can change the button alignment. You can also change button size. You can add an icon to your button from here. Okay, now to add gradient background to this button, go to Style tab, and here click on button, and you will get here button background type. So here you have to select gradient. Background type, select gradient, and here you will get first color and second color. First of all, let's add first color for our button. So here's I selected button first color, and now here you will get second color. Just click on this color box, and now you can change the bottom color or second color for the button. And now you can change your button first color location using this slider. As you can see, you can also change the second color location using this second slider. Once done, you can change your gradient type from here. If you selected gradient tab linear, then you can change angle, or if you selected radial, then you can change position. From this list you can select any position. Once done, to change button text color, here you will get text color. Just click on this color box and pick a different color, and that's it. This is how we can easily add a gradient color in a button in Elementor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.